Alright guys, in this video I'm going to conclude my AI teaching series for beginners. In this series that I made numerous of videos explaining AI basics, how it works on a deeper level, that's just easy to understand, easy to digest, anyone can really pick up on it. It's not that hard. And I made that very clear in the beginning of the series, and now it's done. The whole series is there, it's out, guys. This series was focused on helping people understand AI on a deeper level, how to use it, get AI educated, and also how to code AI, like, really get into the weeds of it, and also using some of the famous AI tools as well. And I wanted to expose you guys to also a lot of the creators in the space. There are a lot of great teachers in the AI space as well, besides just me. I think you learn the best when you learn from multiple teachers. Just you got to pick and choose which things you want to keep for yourself, right? And yeah, because someone might say something that the other one might not say, right? Or maybe someone explains this in a way that makes more sense to you than someone else did, right? Which is really important for your learning journey. I'm not going to hog you and keep you all to myself, but I'll do my best to explain everything on an easy to understand deep level, right? And also a practical level. I want you to get these skills that you can go use right now in the field, at work, in your life, for whatever it is you want to do, right? Because AI is a powerful, powerful tool that a lot of people need to start using, or maybe you never need to worry about it, right? So, point is, it was really great in doing this series. So, definitely check out all these videos. This is not even all of them. I think I have like another like 6 to 10 videos I need to upload, but definitely check these videos out. Please comment below how you feel about the series and how I can improve in the series, what's missing maybe in the next series that I make. Like, let me know what you guys want me to create for this channel, or just for another series, another course, right? Let me know, you guys. I'm open ears. I want to help you guys reach your goals and really get what you need out of the AI world, right? And that's pretty much it, you guys. So my name is Stefan. I've been doing AI for the past 7 years. Data, machine learning, automation, just anything involving AI, programming, using the tools, not using the tools, whatever the case is. I've been doing this for 7 years. So don't be afraid to reach out to me. My email website is linked below. And yeah, that's pretty much it for this series. Just keep posted and let me know what's going on, you guys. Appreciate it. Peace.